This is the Epson EcoTank ET-2750. I'm going to show you how to fill the tank with this new ink. It's supposed to last up to 2 years. We simply unscrew the bottle and off comes the top. It's color coded and the color will not go in the wrong one. So we open up the color we want. We've got the blue, and there's slots that this thing is going to go into. And you can actually hear it draining into the tank. And down here you can see the level actually filling up the tank. And you repeat this for all 4 colors. It's unheard of. I mean, right on the box and all of the materials, they advertise 2 years that this ink will last. You know, this is basically an easy way to refill without actually having a cartridge to deal with. Winner for me. Includes AirPrint, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, multifunction, scanning, copying, and printing right from your thing. As you can see, boom, the blue's done. It has stopped draining, and we're ready to take it off. No drips, no mess. Of course, with kids in the house, I'll go ahead and replace the cap. Screw-on cap, not a snap-on tap. So that is nice. So, and we'll proceed with the other colors.